Thank you for subscribing my channel. So far I have done so many reels, videos, songs, short films. I have not so far introduced myself as an engineer. I am an engineer. My name is Devanand. I am an electrical engineer. Now I am trying to one presentation on hydroelectric station. This is useful for electrical engineers and others also can see because the coverage of what we have covered is natural beauty hill station. That is near Machkund. We see the model of the turbine, how the internal casing, spiral casing looks like. There is a miniature model supplied by the Switzerland company. So turbine is a spiral casing like a snail. How the snail is there, like that it is a spiral casing. Inside impeller is there, like our monoblock pumps, and water enters into the turbine impeller through wicket gates. The wicket gates are there around the impeller. The water coming from the top of this penstock to the bottom. The water at the top of the penstock is having potential energy. That potential energy is when it passes through the penstock and reaches turbine, the potential energy is converted to the kinetic energy. With this kinetic energy, through the centrifugal force, the turbine impeller rotates. Impeller is connected to the generator shaft. The shaft rotates and it generator rotor rotates. When the rotor rotates, because of the excitation of the rotor, EMF is generated in the generator winding. So it generates EMF and drives the current. Here it is 13.2 kV voltage and 1100 to 1500 amperes at 120 to 100 megawatts power, the output of the power. We have 4 units here. These 4 units able to supply power from here to Madras. The entire region is supplied by these generators only in the beginning of a combined state of Madras. Later, so many stations have come. This is waterfall named Duduma waterfall. This is near Arku. It is 70-80 kilometers from Arku. It is located at the border of Orissa and Andhra. This waterfall is height about 200 to 300 feet. One Orissa king has seen this before independence and he got an idea to use this water source for irrigation. So he told British people to make a plan for constructing a dam. Then the Britishers have surveyed this area for 10 years. After 10 years, they finalized construction of dam, design of dam and construction of generating station at that point. To reach this generating station, which is at a depth of 300 feet, they constructed a winch. It is a 2-chamber winch which travels down and reaches the generating station. This winch controlled by DC motor. We will see that winch room. Then we will go to the winch and we will go down to the generating station. Now from here, at the same time we can able to see the waterfall, Duduma waterfall. The other side a small waterfall is there. Duduma is on left side. This water for generating station is coming from Duduma waterfall. The Duduma waterfall level and this what we are standing here both are same. So Duduma water will come to this point, this our location, and from here the water goes through penstocks to the turbine location. The water carried by penstocks. Now we are traveling down to the generating station, the Duduma fall and the valley. If you see that valley is looking like a Kashmir valley and the water between two mountains, we are seeing the water, receding water from Duduma fall and the generating station. Now we are entering into the generating station. There are 3 levels. One is generating station level, one is the shaft connecting station level. Now we are entering into the generating. This generator is a series generator. They will give excitation through DC source through armature. What we are seeing on the caps where one light is glowing, that is an exciter. The excitation given through brushes of armature. Now we are going to the next level. where the generator and the turbine is connected through a shaft. This turbine level, where the water is coming from the penstocks from the top of height of 300 feet through penstocks, and it enter into the gate valve. Now what we are seeing is a gate valve, the huge gate valve, like our taps, it is a gate valve, it is also similar design. It operates, it opens through hydraulic mechanism. If they give open command, it opens, remote control command. Whenever they don't want, they close it. If they don't want to run the turbine, they close this valve. This is called inlet valve. From when it is opened, water enters into the turbine through wicket gates.